Hey guys! So in this video I'll tell you how to make reels on Instagram. In the past few months the Instagram reels has become very popular and people are liking reels more than the post or stories. So in this video I'll tell you how to make your reels. First of all, you have to open up your Instagram. After that you have to click on the plus icon and then you have to click on reel. Here you can see that a camera has been opened. So if you want to record any video, you can record it at this point. While recording you can add music and which you want. For example, there are a lot of musics, and then you can add any of the filter. These are all the filters which are in trending, and after that you can adjust the timing of your reel, which is 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 and then 90 seconds. After that you can select the video layout. There are three options. You can see that these are the three layout options, and you can also add a self timer. Okay guys, if you don't want to record any video and you want to combine your clips and make it a reel, you just have to swipe up and select the images which you want to add. For example, I am adding this. After that I have to click on add, and then I have to again swipe up and I have to add the next clip which I want to add. I am adding this. Then I have to click on add again. If you want to add any more clips, you can repeat the same process and add the pictures. Then you have to click on next. Okay, so now here you can see that my two clips are here. You can swipe to add any of the filter. For example, I am adding this filter. At the top you can see that there are a lot of options. First of all, if you want to add the music, you have to click on music. Here it is asking that camera audio. If you want to use your camera audio, you can make it to 100%, otherwise you have to click on 0. And there are more options, that music, voiceover and sound effect. If you want to add music, you can add music. There are a lot of music given to us by Instagram. If you want to do voiceover, you can click on voiceover, and if you want to change the sound effect, you can click on sound effect. And after you have done, you have to click on screen again. Here you can see the option edit clips. Here you can see that you just have to click on the clip and then you can adjust the. I am adding 1.2.2, and this one clip I will also make it to 2 seconds, and then I will go to add clips, and you can also add any transition here. I am adding glitch. Okay, after that I have to click on done. If you want to apply this same transition to all of your clips, you have to click on apply to all, and here you can see that next option is of reorder. For example, you can reorder the clips. You can make it to first by dragging it, and if you don't want to change order, you have to skip this step. After that you have click on done and your reel is ready. Then you have to click on next, and then you can edit cover, write captions. So now if you want to share your reel to the Instagram feed, you have to click on share, and if you want to save it as a draft, you can click on save draft. I am clicking on share. Here you can see that my reel has been posted on my Instagram feed. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, and if you guys have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching.